let's do this. So, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about trademarking a brand name, a logo, anything like that. You're trying to get some brand protection. This video is literally going to change your life because I found the fastest and easiest way to trademark a brand name, a logo, anything like that. A lot of like local attorneys, for example, will charge you like, I've seen like $2,000, $3,000 to do this locally. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. I don't have that much money to be investing crazy amounts for like brand protection when I don't even know, like, let's say long term, if the brand's gonna like, be making that much money. Like I can't be spending $2,000-3,000 every brand that I make because I have like 3 brands selling on Amazon and that's a lot of money. So I found the cheapest and fastest way that you could get brand protection. It's really, I found an attorney that does it for $45, a trademark research, and then to file a trademark for you, it's $45 as well. I've gotten currently three trademarks currently approved already. Fastest and easiest way. And I don't recommend you to do this yourself whatsoever because the whole process to get a trademark takes around 6 months to even get like any message from like the office. Like they take about 6 months to give you a yes or no if you can trademark your brand name, your logo, slogan, whatever you're trying to trademark. So you want to do it professionally, and if you do it wrong, you lose that application fee that you paid for. It's gone. So you might as well do it right the first time. That way, like, you don't lose out on, the money, the time. You don't want to wait 6 months and then have to reapply because you did a huge mistake. And honestly, I like sell online. I've sold online my whole life. Like, used to do eBay, then Amazon. I'm really tech savvy, and doing the trademark myself, I tried doing it in the beginning. It was like, yeah, the thing for me. So just to let you know, it's like really, really complicated because you can't miss any little steps. So I recommend hiring an attorney to do this. And the attorney I found, like I said, $45. I'm going to show you guys exactly the person. I'm also going to have the person's link in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments so you guys can, feel free to use him as well. It's literally the best way to save money because it's really, really expensive to get a trademark. So, wait, let me do this really quick here. Perfect. Okay, so in front of me here, I have the website Fiverr. Fiverr is like where you can find a bunch of freelancers that will do work for you. Like if you need a virtual assistant, Fiverr is like literally the place to do that. So there's a bunch of freelancers on here that will do services for you to like either like help your business. Like I get like photo photography here for really cheap 3D mock-ups and all that stuff. If you're looking for like a logo, you can get that done here as well. So this attorney does trademarks, copyrights, patents, designs, all that stuff. You can see here, $45 for a trademark research. It does take about like 4 or 5 days to get it done, but then he'll tell you whether or not your trademark your logo or brand name or slogan could be trademarked, because there could be a very similar company that has a trademark, or it could be in a different class, or like, because when you trademark something, there's classes to it. Like you can't just trademark a logo. You can't trademark a name and then say it's for every industry. It doesn't work like that. So if you trademark a name and it's for vitamins, it's not going to be protected for something like bed sheets, for example, anything, So just to keep you in the loop, there's so many classes that you have to trademark as well. So you want to trademark in the right category. So that's why I really recommend you do it professionally. So he does a trademark research. He does, his due diligence, looks up all the, competition and anything like that. And then what he does is he gives you a PDF after saying like whether or not you can trademark, what are some companies that you should be worried about that can, alter the decision from the USPTO office. So doing a trademark research, I always do this before filing a trademark or a logo or a slogan, anything like that. And then you can see the premium package here where he does the trademark filing, which is $90, but he does a trademark search and the trademark application. So really recommend you do probably most likely the premium because he's going to do the trademark search and do the trademark application for you. But I would do the standard first, right? Click this, click continue, do the trademark search. Once you get a decision whether or not your logo could be trademarked, then you can ask him to give you a custom quote to file the trademark as well. And what he does actually is he makes a YouTube video for you, private YouTube video, and he sends it to you of exactly what to do. Like he sends you a file. Literally, it's such an easy process to do. I'm telling you, it's a piece of cake. You can see this guy's reviews is literally a 5.0, over 3,000 reviews. Fiverr is like not a new website. Like they've been out. You can see all the good reviews here. It's non-stop. And yeah, I really recommend this person because yeah, I do all my trademarks with him. It's really fast and easy. Highly recommend it. If you have any questions regarding trademark or like a brand name or yeah. So what I personally do is I don't trademark any slogans, just my brand name or my logo. So just to keep you guys in mind, like you could also trademark a slogan as well. Yeah, so that's what you need. If you're looking to trademark your business, highly recommend it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Also hit that like button if you can, really appreciate it. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon later on in the future, this channel is for you because this is what I do. I sell full-time online, make all my money selling products on Amazon, and I teach you guys how to do the whole process for free. So that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.